Good evening. I am Sananjay and welcome to Radio Bharti. Let's begin with the top news updates of the day. PM Modi arrives in Maldives today for the two-day visit. IMMD issues red alert in Odisha, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, and parts of Maharashtra for extremely heavy rainfall today. French President Emmanuel Macron says France will recognize Palestine as a state. 12 killed in Thailand, Cambodia in border clashes. CII refers FTA as transformational step in India UK bilateral economic ties. Rupee depreciates by the 1 paise to close at 86.40 against US dollar. Unnati upsets Olympic medalist PV Sindhu in China Open pre-quarterfinals. Satvik Chirag enter China Open quarterfinals. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will arrive in the Maldives today for a two-day visit. This marks a significant moment as it's the first state visit of the Prime Minister to an island nation since President Dr. Mohamed Mizzou assumed charge in November 2023. The India Meteorological Department has issued a red alert over Odisha, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, and parts of Maharashtra for extremely heavy rainfall today. The IMMD has forecast heavy to very heavy rainfall to continue over Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Gangetic, West Bengal, and Jharkhand till the 28th of this month. French President Emmanuel Macron said that the France will officially recognize a Palestinian state during the United Nations General Assembly in September. In his social media post, the French president said this decision to recognize that state of Palestine has been taken in accordance with the historic commitment of France to a just and lasting peace in the Middle East. At least 12 people have been killed and several others injured after clashes erupted between Thailand and Cambodia in a dramatic escalation of a long running border row between the two neighbors. Both countries have blamed each other for starting the fighting. The Confederation of Indian Industry has welcomed the India UK Free Trade Agreement, calling it a transformational step in bilateral economic ties. The FTA aims to boost trade, innovation, and investment. A CII led delegation headed by Sunil Bharti Mittal engaged with UK leaders on opportunities in technology, clean energy, and healthcare. In the foreign exchange market, the rupee closed at 86.40 against the US dollar today, 1 paise lower than the previous session. In badminton, India's Unnati Hooda pulled off the biggest win over her career today, upsetting two-time Olympic medalist PV Sindhu by 21-16, 19-21, 21 and 13 in the China Open Super 1000 round of 16 in Changzhou. The 17-year-old showed pose and tactical clarity in the 76-minute match, controlling the first game and dominating the decider. In badminton, India's top men's doubles pair Satvik Siraj, Rankar Reddy and Chirag Shetty advanced to the quarterfinals of the China Open Super 1000 tournament in Changzhou, China today. The duo secured a straight game victory over Indonesia's Leo Roli Carnado and Bagas Malona. The duo secured a straight game victory over Indonesia's Leo Roli Carnado and Bagas Malana. That's all for the day. For such more updates, stay tuned to Radio Bharti. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.